Welcome back to Tammy's Fitness Jammies. Today we are going to do a workout for our glutes and hammies. Tammy's Fitness Jammies, glutes and hammies. It rhymes. Okay, so all you need is your body weight and a pair of pajamas. You can do it in your bare feet or you can put slippers on if you like. If you got a cup of coffee, that's great too. Let's get started. We are going to begin with a quick warm-up. Then we have 3 exercises to do. Clamshell, a bridge circuit, and then donkey kicks. Then we're gonna stretch, bam, you're done. Let's begin with a warm-up. Let's start with cat-cat. Big deep breath in, and exhale as you round. Oh yeah, warming up that spine, warming up the core muscles. Excellent, nice. Okay, let's rock back and forth. So we're going to go hips coming towards the floor and then back into child pose. But just don't hyperextend. Just bring yourself into more like a plank position this way, opposed to going like that. Just come to here and then back. You can squeeze your glutes too, as long as you're not pushing your hips towards the floor. Excellent. Okay, let's roll back on our toes, like so. And if you can get into the squat position, that's great. If you can't, then what I recommend is going like this, and you're going to reach on each side like that. If you can get into the squat position, like this, then you're going to do the same reach. So there's some options. Let's do a couple of these. Excellent. Now back down on our knees. Tuck your toes under, bring your hips up. Pedal up those legs. And then come back down on your knees. And we're going to extend the legs out one at a time behind us. So, like this. Just kick out like that. That's it. I'm going to flip here a little bit because I think I might be getting off the screen. Excellent. Now, while we're in this position, let's just do a few fire hydrants as part of our warm-up. So we're going to we're on our hands and knees, and we're going to take our one leg out to the side without shifting our hips way up. So we're not going like this. We're keeping our hips square to the ground. We're just going to lift our knee out to the side like that. So we're going to go 1, get ready. I should tell you, get ready, get set, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, stop. Back on your hands and knees, and now for the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, back. Let's do that again, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back. And then the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. Okay, first exercise. Our warm-up is done. Let's lay on our side. We're going to do some clamshells. We're going to go for a high rep in this. So we're going to go for 15 reps. And we're going to do 2 sets per side. So get in a comfortable position. You want your feet to be down by your hips like this. So you don't want your feet out like that. So make sure they're down like this and you keep them glued together. You want to make sure your hip stays stacked over the bottom hip so it doesn't roll out like that. Keep this one right on top and then you're going to lift like that and you'll feel the resistance is bigger. I find it helpful if I put my hand on my hip and make sure that my hip does not roll back. And then you're going to lay on your side like this. Rest your head on your arm like that. And we're going to lift. Get ready. Set. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Take a rest. You should be feeling that. If you're not, you want to check to make sure you're not rolling your hips back, because often, even when I have my clients and I'm coaching my clients in person, they tend to roll their hips back. So I have to really make sure they focus on that, and sometimes I put my foot right behind them to make sure, or my leg behind them to make sure that they don't roll their hips back. When you're doing it right, it's going to feel like a lot of resistance. Get ready, second set. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, keeping your feet together. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Excellent. Okay, other side. Same setup. Make sure your feet are down. So just look, okay? Keep your feet glued, hips stacked, knees should be equal to each other. Lay your head, make a bed for your head, nice and comfy, and then put your hand here to help make sure you don't roll back. Get ready, get set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Take a little rest. Whew. We're going to do that again. Get ready, get set. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, whoa, 13, 14, 15. Awesome. That's it for that exercise. Next up is a bridge circuit. So we're going to lay on our back. Bridge circuit, meaning we have 4 different positions to put our feet. So we're going to do a narrow, and then we're going to do a wide, a knock-knee, and a butterfly. So it's different positions to hit because the glutes, there's glute B, glute mid, and glute max in your butt. So we want to target all the different muscles in our butt region. We will start with the neutral one. So you want to have your feet hip width apart, okay? And you want to bring your feet close to your bum. You should be able to touch your fingers, but your fingers to your heels. If you can't, it's okay. When we lift up like this, we keep everything, or like we drive our knees over our toes, and we keep everything in alignment. So don't allow their knees to fall together or go apart like that. We're just going to keep everything in a nice straight line, and we're going to push those knees over the toes. Get ready, 15 reps. Here we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, squeeze the glutes, 13, 14, 15, squeeze your bum, I should say. Next, we're gonna go wide. So you take a nice wide stance, touch your heels if you can, okay, nice and wide. This time when you lift, you gotta keep your knees wide, so don't let them fall forward. Get ready, get set, here we go. 1, and squeeze your bum. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Excellent. Now, you let the knees fall together and turn the feet in. This time, it's not a very big lift, but when you do lift, you have to keep your knees together. Get ready, get set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, still squeezing, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and now we're going to do the butterfly. So soles of your feet together, knees are wide, and when you lift, you squeeze your bum. Get ready, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Excellent. Okay, next up is donkey kick. So we flip over. Donkey kick is great for the glutes and hammies. We are going to keep our back neutral. So we do not flex the back. So this is what I do not want to see you do, even though I can't see you. This. You see people do this, okay? Keep that back neutral. No movement whatsoever in the spine. Just lift the foot up like that and then back down. Don't worry about height. You have to worry about the squeeze and feel it in the hamstring. So right here is as far as you really need to go, like that. And keep your foot flexed so it's active. And then back down like that. So you get your glutes and hammies all at once. We're gonna do each leg. 15 reps. Get ready, get set. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, brace that core, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Take a little break. Shake out the hands because you're on your wrists. That may bother you or it may not. And then get ready. We're going to do the other side. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Excellent. Okay, off the wrists. One more on each side. Get set. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Take a little rest. One more to go, and that's it, and then we stretch. Get ready, get set. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Awesome. Good job. Excellent. You're done. That's it. Now you can do this routine again if you want more, or you can get on with your day. Let's put our feet out because we're going to have a good stretch now. So let's get our hammies first. It's a good feeling to know that you did something good for your body, right? Just a little hamstring stretch. Okay, let's bring the soles of our feet together. Pull it in like this. Grab your toes. And then just lean forward from the waist. Keep your back neutral. Awesome. Okay, come on up. Let's reach this leg around and give your quads a stretch. Now take this leg that you just stretched, Bring it around like this, hug it, and feel the stretch in the glutes. Big deep breath. Bring it back to where we were here, and now we're going to take this leg, bring it around, give the quads a stretch. Take this leg, wrap it around like this, hug, twist into it if you like, feel that stretch in the bum. Sit up nice and tall, and breathe. Perfect. Okay, let's release. Nice big deep breath going up. There you go. I hope you enjoyed this workout today. Remember to leave your comments in the comments section below. I'd love to hear from you. Like my video if you liked it and share it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And don't forget to visit me on gofitlife.ca and check out my online programs. Have a fantastic day, everybody.